Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, if you are interested in all different categories of news and latest reviews, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss out an update. So let's start the news. Today's news is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A clean India would be the best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary in 2019, said Shri Narendra Modi as he launched the Swachh Bharat mission at Rajpath in New Delhi. On 2nd October 2014, Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout length and breadth of the country as a national movement. The campaign aims to achieve the vision of a clean India by 2nd October 2019. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the most significant cleanliness campaign by the Government of India. Shri Narendra Modi led a cleanliness pledge at India Gate, which about 30 lakhs government employees across the country joined. He also flagged off a walkathon at Rajpath and surprised people by joining in, not just for a token few steps but marching with the participant for a longer way. While leading the mass movement for cleanliness, the Prime Minister exhorted people to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's dream of a clean and hygienic India. Shri Narendra Modi himself initiated the cleanliness drive at Mandir Marg police station, picking up the broom to clean the dirt, making Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a mass movement across the nation. The Prime Minister said people should neither litter nor let other litter. He gave the mantra of na gandagi karenge, na karne denge. Shri Narendra Modi also invited 9 people to join the cleanliness drive and requested each of them to draw 9 more into the initiative. By inviting people to participate in the drive, the Swachhata Abhiyan has turned into a national movement. A sense of responsibility has been evoked among the people through the Clean India movement, with citizens now become active participate in cleanliness activities across the nation. The dream of a clean India once seen by Mahatma Gandhi has begun to get a shape. The Prime Minister has helped spread the message of Swachh Bharat by urging people through his word and action. He carried out a cleanliness drive in Varanasi as well. He wielded a spade near River Ganga at Asi Ghat in Varanasi under the Clean India mission. He was joined by a large group of local people who cooperated in the Swachhata Abhiyan. Understanding the significance of sanitation, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has simultaneously addressed the health problems that roughly half of the Indian families have to deal with due to lack of proper toilet in their homes. People from different sections of the society have come forward and joined the mass movement of cleanliness, from government official to Jawans, Bollywood actors to the sports person, industrialists to spiritual leaders. All have lined up for the noble work. Millions of people across the country have been day after day joining the cleanliness initiative of the government departments, NGOs and local community centers to make India clean. Organizing frequent cleanliness campaign to spreading awareness about hygiene through plays and music also being widely carried out across the nation. Prime Minister himself has praised the effort by people and various departments and organizations for taking part in the Swachhata Bharat mission and contributing toward a cleaner India. Shri Narendra Modi has always openly lauded the participation of people via social media. The hashtag MyCleanIndia was also launched simultaneously as a part of the Swachh Bharat drive to highlight the cleanliness work carried out by citizens across the nation. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has become a Jan Andolan, receiving tremendous support from the people, citizens who have turned out in the large number and pledged for a neat and cleaner India. Taking the broom to sweep the street, clean up the garbage and focusing on the sanitation and maintaining a hygienic environment have become a practice after the launch of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. People have started to take part and are helping spread the message of cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you friends for listening my news. If you like my news, please like the video, share it with your friends and family and comment on my videos. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you friend. Have a nice day.